Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. Today is going to be on this new song off of the album. So it's going to be 3 chords and let's get right into it. So the first chord is going to be a F major 7 here on the 8th fret. Okay. Next chord is a E minor 7 right on the 7th. 2 frets down, sliding it, is a D minor 7. So, F major 7, E minor 7, D minor 7. Alright, so here is an example of how we're going to play it, then I'll teach it to you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so for this one, we're going to have some tabs on the screen also. Starting with the first chord, we're going to hit the bass note, and then the 3rd string going down, and then one right below it. So we're going to hit those two the same. So with the tabs, it goes. So we hit the top and the 2 bottom at the same time. Then we're going to hit the 2nd string, then hit the 2 bottom, and back to the 2nd string. Okay, so it goes. Now to the next chord, E minor 7. This one you can hold the chord, then you're going to play the same 3 strings the same time. So it goes just 2 hits. So from here it goes. And then from there it's going to go to D major 7. You can let that ring out once. Together, the last one. 2, 3, 4. So that's a much simpler way to play it. You can also add in some extras and hammer-ons like this. Then add in extra notes. I think you hear this in the actual song. So. Hitting the E, you're actually lifting up. This is when you're holding the bar and you lift it up. So. Okay, so that's how you play this song. Check out the tabs. And I also have the ukulele version that you guys can check out too. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.